Hello everyone, myself Arindom Kundu, my student ID is 181151057. Welcome to my video presentation. My video presentation topic is explain multiplication in assembly. So let's identify variable needs for the program. First variable will be the one which will hold the values present in the variable to be multiplied, and it will be number 1 and number 2. Other variable will be holding the output or result of the multiplication, and it will be the result, and other variable will be holding the message into the first number of multiplication, into the second number of multiplication, and the result to be continue and to be printed for the user. So in all 6 variables, the identified variables are number 1, number 2, result, message 1, message 2, and message 3. Data segment is the starting point of the data segment in a program, and data is the name given to the segment, and segment is the keyword for defining segment where we can declare our variable. Number db what, result db. Explanation: in the assembly language programming, a single programming is divided into 4 segments, which are 1 data segment, 2 code segment, 3 state segment, and last extra segment. Now from this one, in compulsory code segment, if all you don't need variables for your program, if you need variables for your program, you will be needed 2 segments, code segment and data segment. Code segment is the starting point of the code segment in a programming, and code is the name given to the segment, and segment is the keyword for defining segment where we can write the code of the program. The start is the level user to the show the starting point of the code which is writing in the code segment. If is user to define a level as in C programming. LEADX message 1 move A is 9 in 21 A's. LEADX message 1 in the LEA standing for the load effective address, and it loads the effective address of second element into the first element. The same code can interesting writing as move dx offset message 1, where offset message to address the move means the second element into the first element. Standard input and standard output replied interputs and found in the 21, which is also called as dash interput. It works with the value of the register. If the value is 9 or 9 A's, the means print the string or message of the address printed in the DX register. Move A is 1 in 21 A's, sub AL 30 A's. Move number 1L. Standard input and standard output replied interput are found in 21, which is also called as dash interested. It works with the value of the register. If the value is 1 or 1 A's, that means read a character from the console, icon it on screen, and save the value entered in a register. Lead DX message to move A is 9 in 21 A's. The above 2-line code is used to the printer the string of message of the address printed in the DX register I from message 2. Move A is 1 in 21 A's, sub AL 30 A's, move number 2 AL. The above 4 lines code is used to read the character from console and save the value entered variable number 2 in its BCD form. Int line number MUL number 1. As the program work only with the introduction in the instruction set, MUL is used to multiply 2 numbers in the following permutation above. REG stand for register, memory stand for variable and address. Let us understand the meaning of the above permutation. So move result value to result variable by the instruction move result AL. Add A is 30 A's, add AL 30 A's. Since the result of multiplication is in an A and AL register in BCD from after using AAM. Now we want to print the result to on screen on or console. the BCD from value will not show us the result, but will be printed the corresponding ASCII codes from the number. Move BXX in the AX register is used again and again. We cannot lose the result in AS and AL register. So to save the to be printed value in BS and BL register by moving AX and AX to BX. Lead DX message 3, move AS9 in 21H. The above two line code is used to printed string or message of the address printed in DX register for message 3. Move AS to move DL BS in 21H. Standard input and standard output replaced to the found in 21H, which is also called as does interpret. Here is we are printed BS register. The above two line codes is used to exit to does not or exit to open system. Standard input and standard output replaced are found in int 21H, which is also called as does interpret. It work with the valuable or AS register. If the valuable in 4CH, that means return to opening system or does, which is the end of the program. Code's end. Code's end is the end point of the code segment in a program. We can write just end, but the end of which segment it is of which we have to write the same name given to the code segment. End start. The end start in the end of the level used to slow the ending point of the code which is writing in the code segment. In the assembly language programming, we have to come for format and exe format. We are learning in exe format only, which is simple then comfort to understanding and writing. We can write the programming in lower and uppercase, but I prefer uppercase. So thank you everyone.